Wanted to get a camera to watch the dogs when we're gone, so we got this Noonie 360. Let's take a look at it. It's got some instructions at the top there. That's pretty cool. Paper packaging, I like that. They have it in white and in black. This is the white one, as you can see. Very nice. Looks like there's a cover over the lens right away. It's kind of bottom heavy. I'm guessing there's some cables in the bottom here. I like that it's all cardboard packaging, except for this silicone bag. There's not a lot of extra nonsense. So it looks like we have a unit, a base unit here that it can lock into. So this can be mounted like on a ceiling or a wall, and then this can lock into it. That's handy. It's got a wall wart and a USB cable. So we'll take a look at the instructions, download the app, and then use this to watch the dogs when we're not here. Hope this helps.